Day in the life of an unemployed 24-year-old who makes 100K a month. Let's go. 141 days ago, I started a new online business with a goal to make $1 million a month. Before that, I was running a $100,000 a month agency, but I knew if I really wanted to take things to the next level, I needed to start a new company that was more product-based than service-based. So I started a software company to help other people who want to start their own marketing agency by outsourcing all their services to my service providers in my software. Plus, number two, help them find business owners to reach out to land them as clients through my done for you lead finder, also in my software. And then finally, number three is give them the education, community, and support they need to make sure they actually know, see, and believe that entrepreneurship is actually real. So no, I'm not some just random course seller trying to help people make money online. Like, I have a legit software company, not white labeled by Go High Level or anything like that. Like, I actually have real developers on my team working on this software. And so I originally started this road to $1 million a month series on Instagram, but I was like, you know what? Let's just take it over to YouTube. So that's the real reason why we're starting at day 141 instead of day one, is because truthfully, I started this software company on July 11th. So if you do the math, fast forward all the way to today, when you're watching this, when this video is posted, it's gonna be 141 days ago. But yeah, in terms of today, it is actually Thanksgiving. And so this is gonna be the first Thanksgiving away from my parents. Basically, my parents are out of town. Instead of me going back to my hometown in Virginia and spending time with family, I'm just gonna go to my girlfriend's place instead today and celebrate with her family. Bittersweet feeling. This is like the first time ever I'm not gonna be celebrating with my family and my parents for Thanksgiving. I think it just goes to show to be grateful for the time you have with your family and friends, especially during the holidays, because that time isn't always guaranteed. You never know if you're gonna miss a holiday with them. Truly cherish all the moments you have. That's enough of that sad little yapping. Let's get the day started. Let's go. Afternoon routine done. Gotta post my YouTube video for the day, eat some lunch. Gonna make my infamous potato rounds, not potato wedges, because I don't like wedges, but rounds where it's kind of like chips, but like, whatever, you'll see. Once I get those three things done, plus shower, then about to go over to my girlfriend's place, have a solid non-family Thanksgiving. Let's make these quick little potato rounds real quick. Got this small ass knife. Now you might be wondering, am I eating just one singular chicken breast with nothing else? And my answer is yes. Kinda nasty, but you know what, you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't got time to make some crazy lunch right now. And nice, look at these potatoes. Pretty fire. Let's call my Uber, 71.97. This is some crazy Thanksgiving numbers right there. All good, gotta do what you gotta do.
We got it.
Just got back home. I am tired. It was an interesting day today. As I mentioned earlier, first Thanksgiving away from my family, which is a bittersweet feeling because one, obviously it sucks not being able to spend the holidays with the people you love most, aka your family. But in the spirit of Thanksgiving, where it's all about being grateful and thankful for what you have, I'm so blessed and grateful every day for what I do have. And yeah, business is stressful. Sometimes you have no idea what the hell you're doing. It's given me the freedom to live the life I always dreamt of, being able to do whatever I want, whenever I want, with whoever I want, and really just have that time, financial, location freedom I've always looked for. And so anytime I feel down or anytime I feel stressed, I just have to constantly remind myself to be grateful every day for all the blessings and all the accomplishments I've achieved in my life. You can't be complacent, you can't be comfortable, but at the same time, you do have to look back on your journey and be like, damn, like I've already done so much, but we're not stopping here. We got a long road ahead of us and it's all about the journey. But yeah, as always, give me a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your biggest takeaways in the comments below. And other than that, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.